after that quick dance break, we're going to get started. First, we're going to prime the face with the MAC Prep and Prime. And then next, we're going to apply the Hourglass number 28 serum on my dry patches, which is my nose and my forehead and on the sides of my nose. And then we're going to go in with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I use this to prime my eyes. It's my current favorite at the moment. Before it was Benefit, now it's MAC Painterly Paint Pot. And to apply that, I'm using a concealer brush, but this one doesn't have a name on it, so I'm not sure who it's by, but I think I got it from Amazon. And next, we're going to go in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going for like a green, blue, purple-ish kind of eye today. So first I'm going to apply this jumbo eye pencil from NYX, and I'm not sure if it's the color is black, but it's a black pencil. Anyways, and then I'm going to go with the eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pat that out. And the reason I'm doing this is to intensify the colors that I'm going to place on top of it. And for the first time, you guys are going to witness real life problems where I poke myself in the eye with the brush. I'm sure this has happened to everyone. Okay, now we're going to go in with that pretty green color from the palette, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. And the brush I'm using is from Morphe, but it's part of a kit, so it doesn't have a number on it. Next, I'm going to go in with that black eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that to the inner corner and the outer V of my eye using a Gamora eyeshadow brush. And I'm doing this because I want to create kind of like a halo effect with my eye. Next, I'm going to go back in with that green color and apply more of it into my transition because it was starting to fade, and also to blend out that black eyeshadow that I just applied. Next, we're going to go in with that sparkly, glittery green color, and I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush from MAC, and I'm going to apply this in the center of my eyes. And then next, I'm going to go in with a glittery, darker color green that's probably like 2 shades darker than the one that I'm applying now. And I'm going to apply that on the inner corner and outer corner of that other green I just applied, just to blend it into the black eyeshadow because I don't want it to be too harsh. So I want it to blend seamlessly from that lighter green and to that darker green glittery shadow. Next, I'm going to go back in and blend the outer corners and the inner corners into my transition color, just to make sure it all blends well and there are no harsh lines. Take a makeup remover wipe and I'm going to sharpen up my edge. So when working with darker colors and glitters, I like to apply my eyeshadow first, which I think I do anyway, but specifically and more importantly, when you're applying glitters and darker colors, I apply the eyeshadow first before you apply your foundation. That way you can clean up any fallout and any excess. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite combination, Buxom Lightweight Foundation and Meet Me Latte, and my MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid and NC44, and I'm going to blend that out with my Makeup Addiction sponge. Next, I'm going to go with my favorite combination for concealers, using a concealer brush, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics in NC35 for a long wear concealer. I said that backwards, but oh well. And I'm going to go on with the LA Girl Cosmetics Warm Honey. I love to use this combination. It provides the perfect highlight and conceal for me. Concealer, whatever. Time to bronze up the face. I'm going to use another concealer brush, and this one is from Morphe. It's from that same kit, but it doesn't have a number to it. And I'm using my favorite combination from LA Girl Cosmetics, the Warm Honey, which I just applied for my concealer, and I'm mixing it with Beautiful Bronze to create my perfect contour color. And I'm blending that out with the same Makeup Addiction sponge. Time to set the face. Going in with Laura Mercier translucent powder and applying that over my highlight areas where I concealed. And I'm going to pat that in with the sponge instead of a brush. And then next I'm going to go in with the NARS Laguna bronzer, which I am loving recently. And I'm going to blend that out with my favorite Sephora brush. The Sephora Pro Flawless Airbrush is the name of the brush, and it's number 56. And to darken up the contour even more, I'm going to go in with my Luscious Cosmetics contour palette using those two darker shades and applying that over the areas I just applied for my contour. Now I'm just taking this big fluffy brush from Morphe, doesn't have a name or number on it, and I'm just blending all of that powder together. And now I'm going to sharpen up my contour with the Laura Mercier translucent powder using the Makeup Addiction sponge, and then sweeping it away with a Morphe brush, face brush. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite blush, Tender Hearted by Pacifica Beauty, and applying this with a Luxie brush. And then afterward, we're going to highlight with the Makeup Revolution, what is it called? Strobe Addict highlighter and Gold Addict, yeah, and using another Luxie brush for this. And I'm spraying my brush with Fix Plus because I want to have that wet highlight, and Fix Plus provides that. Cosmetics World Lip Liner, and after that I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lip in Beauty Mark. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with this, I think it's Revlon matte powder. This is one of my favorites, and I've tried to find this recently and I think it was discontinued. I'm not sure, I may be able to find it in another store. Anyways, next I'm going to go in with Scandaleyes, and I'm using this in my waterline. And then afterward, I'm going to use a pencil brush to blend that out with that green color that I put in my transition. To put some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes. Next, I'm going to use that Makeup Revolution highlighter that I used on my cheeks, and I'm going to use this in my inner corner, and I'm going to use a pencil brush to apply it. And then last but certainly not least, I'm going to place the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo into the middle of my lips to provide kind of like an ombre effect. And then that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.